my god.
Oh boy.
Good to know we can crush a person completely.
That's a bearing.
And it goes right there.
Going right here.
It's literally as big as the entire. Oh boy. Oh my god. We got a car jack, we got a log, and then we got Mjolnir holding up the arm so you can see if the bearing spins. Okay, don't try to do it. Loop-de-loop! Dead.
Got it!
Alright, so we got our shopping list, me and Riley. We gotta print this out, buy some stuff, come back, Bogdan will have it mounted. Check. Shopping list completed. Woo. Look at this mess of hoses. So, the buttons work. And assuming Bogdan didn't design this wrong,
We will have a working power loader.
I hope so.
Oh!
Oh! It's opening, it's opening, it's opening, it's opening, it's opening, it's opening! Closing! It's closing! Okay, we did it. Okay, ready? Crushing!
Keep the roll express.
Yes. It looks like a duck.
Oh boy. Squeezy, 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 squeezy.
That looks so disturbing from the phone. Yeah! Feel the power! Alright, so you might have noticed when we started crushing things, the fingers kind of went like this. That's because there's a bit of slop in the system. But we need that slop because the way we've actually designed this linear guide to save cost is we have bearings that actually ride in a track.
What ended up happening is during the welding of the railing to the side plate, the actual rail warped a little bit, giving us a little more space in the middle, which causes that huge deflection that you see in the grippers.
So, to get rid of some of that slop, we can either try and reduce the width that these bearings have to move. Still need to leave enough so it can actually adjust, otherwise it's not going to slide. Or we could add a second guide rail right here. The reason we didn't just use nice big honkin' linear guide rails is because they're really expensive. So we made this, or Bogdan made this. But now we need to make it better. Pretty good? Alright, this is so awesome. In the next video, we'll be fine-tuning the gripper, get it all painted, and then do a serious destruction video where we show off just how powerful these grippers are.